right, well, I'm here at the marina to take a look at the rudder in the middle of the winter because we've had water in our rudder and we were wondering, so I'm here. And it's icy, but it's a nice February evening. I'm here at the marina to look at, hey, did the rudder have enough water in it to crack and cause trouble? And it doesn't look like it, which is awesome, because if it did, that would not be awesome. I don't see any cracking from water filling the rudder and causing some trouble. We had some water coming out of the bottom of it, and that is the bottom of the rudder, and I see no issue. I see no issue here of any water cracking the rudder due to freezing temps and freezing water inside the rudder. So that's awesome. So I am going to climb up into the boat and just check out what's going on, see if I can progress some of the projects we have going on a little further. Well, it's pretty warm in the boat, but got my heater with anyway. So we're here to cut away like we did with this connection, which was here. We've got to cut away this one now. This was rubber, but now after 37 years or so, it's hard as a rock. Eventually, I want to get this raw water pump removed. Boy, this little heater really feels pretty good. So this handheld Dremel tool, USB rechargeable battery, is going to help me grind off that piece right there. So, got a hole there, I see the bolt, but I'm trying to get that cap all the way off. Well, we got the son of a gun all the way off, so that came off. That's great. Okay. We can get that wire off, and the bolt doesn't, I don't know, it's not maybe too chewed up. I gotta label them like, I don't know, Martha and Joe, or I don't know, something. Okay, so Martha goes on this side, and I'm looking from the top down. So this plug came out relatively easy, just had to wiggle it a bit. Came right out of here. So we got one more of these like hardened little wire covers, and get them free, and then we should be no more wires left connecting the alternator, and we should be able to take this guy off. So I used the Dremel tool once again. Alright, well, this seems to be turning off. Okay, so that guy's off, and he came off. He has a little washer there. All right, well, Mel kind of screwed up the tape job, but that's Mel, and Mel goes right there. Well, it's about 8:30 now, and it's dark. Nice and toasty warm in the salon in this boat. I mean, it was a warm day. It hit 45. I don't know. You know, it's funny. This video isn't. You know, if it's helpful to somebody, that would warm my heart. But I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm recording everything so that maybe I can use these videos to put it back together. A separate project is, you know, when we're working around in this boat, I often bump this button and shut the radio off. Cut this off, it'll fit up here, and then I'm gonna, like, I think cut this flat, so cut this piece off, and then I've got magnets I'll put on here, and of course I'm gonna have to have some magnets down here, and then, or metal piece down here. And if we get light in here so we can see, there's kind of an idea. It will fit, but we got to chop some of that top off so it does.